Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on Google Pixel 10a. So first of all, what we can do is we can use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. Once you open the power menu, over here you need to press and hold your finger on the power off for like a second or two, and then you will have this message asking you if you want to reboot to the safe mode. So of course you want to press OK and then wait for the phone to restart. And there we go. After restarting the phone, as you can see, now we are in the safe mode. Now keep in mind that in the safe mode, the airplane mode is automatically enabled. And if you want to exit the safe mode, you just have to restart your phone. So we're gonna use the power and volume up buttons again and just restart the phone. And now once the phone restarts again, it's going to be back into the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.